Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 4th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on gold, I still think there's a good chance that we need to go up and make a pullback to this whole move down. I think this whole move down is an A, but is possibly a wave one. I think it's an A. I still think that this needs to make some sort of a corrective overlapping pattern, which would be a pullback to this move down for like a wave B before we potentially go down again for a wave C. So I'm still looking at this as potentially going up. The problem is that the market really still has not really made an engulfing move to the upside, telling us that it really is going up. Technically, the daily market flow is still down. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I have a long bias just because of my Elliott wave count. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move from here to here. It does kind of look like a possible three-way pullback. I mean, it definitely made a double bottom at the 61. If it breaks this structure right here, I think it should confirm that we're in a move to the upside. Now, I don't think it's just going to go up in one straight line, but I still think that it needs to go up and at least take out these highs, at least all the way up to the 4,160 area, which is why I do still have a long bias on these sort of time frames. Gold has been pretty sideways, for the last week or so, so we'll see if it does end up breaking out to the upside or if it just continues to be kind of rangy and sideways market patterns. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.